What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lonely and Effed Up by the Kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double roundhouse kick your jugular into your face bone. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just plays throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as a free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. Starting with our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, we're going to pick A, D, B, G, D. A, D, B, G, D. And then next, you're going to pick the same exact thing, except instead of picking your A to start, you're going to pick the low E. So it's E, D, B, G, D. Next, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, index finger on the 1st fret of the D, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G, and you're picking very similar, but it changes just a little bit here. It's A, D, B, G, D, G. A, D, B, G, D, G. And you go back to that first formation, but you're picking the low E again. Same exact way as before, you're just adding that G string again like you just did on that last formation, like so E, D, B, G, D, G. I'm going to show you what all that looks like up to that point. Here it is. From here, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, picking the same exact way, E, D, B, G, D, G. Then ring finger to the 3rd fret of the A, middle finger to the 2nd fret of the D. This changes up just a little bit here. It looks like. So what we're doing there is A, D, B, hammer onto 1 on B, pull off to open on B, G, D, G. Then slide down to 7 on low E with your middle finger, index finger on the 6th fret of the A, middle finger on the 7th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G, and you slide. So E, A, D, A, E, G. and then it starts all over. So what I'm gonna do there is I'm gonna play through the whole thing very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab if there's a guitar tab, or for a free CAPO or a free ebook. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.